Hey, Esteel. We're out here at the Mormon Rocks, Southern California, Cajon Pass. It's a limestone cutout there, coming from Hesperia cutout. Just waiting for the next train. It's beautiful out here. A nice cutout right there where the train goes through. We just had an intermodal go through here. Thought I'd go live and show you guys what's going on around here. We got an abandoned boxcar, and there's another frame over there. I'm not sure when those came about. Got a bunch of ballast sitting out here and some extra rails. We got a perch when the train comes, so we'll get up on that and take a look, get a good view of the train. Hey, Western, good to see you again. We're out here at the Mormon Rocks Cajon Pass. In between trains, just checking out some of the junk laying around. We got some extra rails. Watching for rattlesnakes here. Somebody had a little party out here, it looks like. These are extra cushion things. Some anchor bolts or anchors. Let's go over here and check out this old boxcar. If we get a train, we'll just run back. Instead of spikes on these curves, they use these big screws. I'm not sure what the official name is. Here's a box of them. Yeah, these turns are so severe they can't use regular spikes. These are the newer type cushions here. These are the screws they use for the severe corners. Spike screws. If anybody wants them, let me know. I'll send you one. Leave me a message. Got some extra rail over here, just in case they need it. This is where you really got to watch for snakes over here. Hope everybody's doing good. Happy Sunday. Rail fans of the Cajon Pass. We're going to train coming through here shortly. We get about 90 trains a day coming through here, about 70 BNSF and 20 or so UPs. Some curved rail there. Doesn't look like it's been used yet. Watch out for snakes. Snakes in there, I'm telling you. Let's take a look at this old boxcar real quick. All kinds of beer bottles out here this week. Somebody had a good party out here. So if you want to Google Mormon Rocks, you can do that. Mormon Rocks. Give you some history of what's going on out here. We're in the Cajon Pass. Everything pretty much had to go through this tight area. The Mormon Trail went through here. The old Spanish Trail went through here. And Route 66 is here. And the railroad tracks are here. So everything had to kind of squeeze through here. Watching for snakes. Yep, it's the Wild West out here. All right, dig this old boxcar. This Pallone guy's been tagging everywhere around here. Wish he'd get caught. You can see it's been here a while. You know there's a snake in there, right? Way cool. Hello! Awesome. Way cool. Talking about watching out for snakes, and I'm just pushing my luck here. Here's another old frame over here. This top part's gone. I don't know where it went. I guess it disintegrated. I'm going to do some metal detecting out here. You can see where they used to have camps where the workers would camp out when they were building this place. So I want to get in there, and plus settlers have been going through here. I think they had silver dollars back in the 1850s, 60s. Hopefully somebody lost one and I'll find it. All right, here's the side of the boxcar. Well, that's Buddy, my dog, in the car. He's in air conditioning, so not to worry. But we're going to go back up here just in case the train's coming. Take you with us. Once the train comes, I'll probably switch my camera because I like to film in 4000K. Or excuse me, 4K. I see a lot of golf balls out here. Let's get down to business. Starting to get warm. Probably in right around 90 right now, going up to probably 100 and something. I'm not sure what that is. They use a lot of this red lava rock for ballast around here. Yeah, I'm huffing and puffing a little bit, going uphill here. Forgive me. I still got one person here. Nice. This is my perch over here. Wrightwood area in the Angeles National Forest is right over there. That mountain peak is Mount Baden-Powell, I believe. It's over 10,000 feet. We're at about 3,500 feet right now. All right, we'll go up here, and I guess we'll let you go. And if we get a train, we'll film that and post it. Just wanted to give you a look at what's going on around here. You're at my secret spot out by the Mormon Rocks. Rail fan is getting so popular around here, you gotta have your own spots. Love you guys. I'll show you my perch. It's up here. This is where I film from, usually, not always. Some other good spots around here. Yeah, I'm climbing a hill again. Here I go. See, somebody's been painting the rocks. There's some anchors. Some of those screw bolts here. There's a cutout right there, upper and lower. This old building out there, that purple thing, green, turquoise. It looks pretty desolate out there, doesn't it? Tracks go down through the cutouts down here. And a big S turn. No, not a big ass turn. A big S turn. Somebody asked me the other day if I said big ass turn. I said, no, I said a big ass turn. All right, we'll let you guys go. We love you guys. Thanks for following, sharing, subscribing, all that stuff. We'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Okay, I'll show me. I don't know what I just did. Anyway. Talk to you soon, you guys. Love you. There I am. Am I still here? Yes, I am. Must be foolproof because I was just acting like a fool trying to get it to switch. I pushed the wrong button. These iPhones, they dim on you really bad in bright lights, so I can't even see the screen barely. I can see a shadow of me on here. I know there's a way to fix that, and I fixed it once, but I replaced my phone and I got to replace it again, so it's a never-ending battle. Love you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for everything. Take care. Have a great day.